Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on this device. Alright, so let's begin. We can begin, I think, with opening up our settings. Now let's simply scroll down a little bit until we find the security and privacy settings. And in here, as you can see, we have our lock screen settings. So let's begin with setting it up. In here, as you can see, we have the PIN, password, pattern, or the swipe as a screen locks. But for example, the swipe provides no security. So I'll show you, for example, how to set the pattern on those dots. Simply draw your pattern. Remember that you need to connect at least 4 dots. And if you want to retry, click on retry, then redraw your pattern. And also don't forget your password, otherwise you'll be forced to reset your device. And if you don't have a backup, you will lose all of your data. Alright, now click on continue. Now draw the pattern once again to confirm it, and now it has been set. Now click on done, and now our lock screen has been successfully set. So maybe let's see how it works. So I'm gonna turn off the screen, and now we need to simply draw it, and boom, as you can see, the phone is unlocked right now. Also below we have other security settings, for example the biometrics, and in here we have the fingerprints and the face recognition. Let me show you how to set the fingerprint. Click on continue, click on register, and now you can see on the screen we have this sensor, this icon, and now we need to place our finger inside of it. And when we feel a vibration, we need to lift up our finger, and now we need to simply repeat. And simply repeat that process until your fingerprint will be saved. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, and now our fingerprint has been added. Click on done to save it. And now, let's see how it works. Simply place your finger right in here, and now the phone is unlocked right now, as you can see. Alright, so we have that done. We can also set the face recognition. Click on continue, click on register, and now all you need to do is to simply place your face inside of that frame, then follow the instruction on the screen and wait until your face will be registered. Alright, below we have also the account security, and first let's click on Samsung account security. In here, simply take a look if everything looks fine. You will see this icon if everything is okay. But for example, in my case, I have recent account activity, and that's because of I was logging in too many times. But now, as you can see, it's fine because I have checked it. So yeah, from time to time you can take a look at what's going on in here. If everything is fine, we don't need to perform any action. And now below we have the Google account security, and in here we can also see if there's something to do. In my case, everything is fine, so there's no need to do anything. But if you have that possibility to do something and the phone tells you that there's a potential threat, simply follow the instruction on the screen to avoid further problems. Now below we have the lost device protection, and we have Find My Mobile feature, which is provided by the Samsung account. Make sure that allow this phone to be found feature is enabled. Below we can enable to send the last location, and we also have the offline finding, so we will be able to locate the phone even if it's offline. So make sure it's enabled, all of those features. We also have the theft protection. In here we have the identity check, theft detection lock, offline device lock, and the remote lock. And when it comes to the identity check, click on continue. In here we can add some safe places, and in those places the fingerprint, for example, or the lock screen won't be needed to unlock your device. You can read about it right in here. Below we have the screen locking. We have the theft detection lock. We can turn it on. In here you can read how it works. So if someone will the phone will try to detect if our device was taken from us, but we must be using actively our device when it's unlocked. So we can turn it on, and below we have the offline device lock. We can also turn it on. In here we can read how it works, and again we need to we have to use our phone actively while it's unlocked, and the screen can be locked up to twice a day. Then click on turn on, and below we have the remote lock. It is also a pretty cool feature, but remember that if you want to use it, you must have your SIM card or eSIM enabled. And how it works. So we need to go into that site. We need to enter our phone number, and as you can see, no sign in or Google account needed for that. You just need to simply open this page and follow the instruction on the screen. And in here again we have 3 things that we need to have in mind. So our device must be online. If our device is offline, its screen will lock automatically once it's online. If your device is If you find your device, just unlock your screen the way you usually would, for example with a PIN or password, and your screen can be locked up remotely up to twice a day. So those are the features that I wanted to show you. We also can enable the app protection. Click on right in here and click on turn on. Click on turn on once again, and as you can see, no threats found in my case. We can also perform this scan manually to see if there's something to do. So now let's simply wait until it's finished. Okay, we are almost done. 93, 100%. Okay, so no potential threats found. We don't need to perform anything. Okay, now we can click on Google Play Protect, and here we can also perform a scan. Okay, and nothing has been found. So it's good to see. Now let's click on updates. It's always good to keep your device updated. Let's click on security update first. Oh, and as you can see, the downloading process has started. In my case, for now, I'm gonna pause it because I have other things that I want to show you. But if you have that possibility, simply install your update. Now let's click on Google Play System Update and we now will see if there's something to be downloaded. And as you can see, I have a possible update, but I'm not going to download it now. But if you have that possibility, again, click on download and install. Okay, I'm wondering if there's something more. Okay, we can click on more security settings and we can click on secure Wi-Fi. Click on continue. Click on continue once again. And here we can turn on the protection of our Wi-Fi. We can auto protect the Wi-Fi in here also with the public. So turn it on right here, click on allow, and here select the option that you want. Okay, now we also have the secure folder, which is also a cool feature. Click on continue once more. As you can see, the secure folder is being created right now. So basically in the secure folder we can keep the apps locked, the apps that we want to simply protect. And now we need to set a pattern or password for our secure folder. Let's say I'll select the pattern. Okay, click on confirm. In here you can click on allow or don't allow, and in my case I'll allow for that. And we can also enable the fingerprint, it will be faster. Click on next, and now we have our secure folder. And now I'm wondering where it's located, because I think we have a shortcut also. Oh yeah, in here we have our secure folder. Click on right in here, and if you want to add some apps to it, click on the plus icon that I have shown you, and in here we have a whole list of apps that we can add. For example, we can add the Facebook. Click on add, and now our Facebook is hide right in here. Okay, hidden, not hide it, I'm sorry. Also, there's one more thing that I want to check. Now let me quickly turn off the secure folder. Now let's try to get access to it. Okay, so if you want to turn it off, we need to click on lock and exit. Okay, now the secure folder is locked. And now if we want to get access to it, we need to use the pattern to open it up. Also, let me quickly check one thing. I'll lock it. All right. Okay. So that's how we can create a secure folder. Let's get back into security and privacy. And in here, I'm wondering if we have more features. We also have the enchanted data protection. We can enable to encrypt backup data right in here. To confirm, we need to type the password. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'm showing you how to do it. In here, again, you need to type your password. Okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.